This is HH-66 vinyl cement. And this is HH-66. And this is, and this, and all of these are HH-66. I'm Jana from RH Adhesives. If you've got a vinyl anything, you can repair it using our best-selling adhesive, HH-66. It's the world's most recommended vinyl cement. So, how do you use it? How much do you need? How long does it take? In this video, we'll show you all you need to know. HH-66 is the only vinyl adhesive recommended by the Tarp Division of the Advanced Textiles Association. It goes on smoothly, sets in minutes, and holds fast even at extreme temperatures. It works underwater, it bonds with just a single application, and the bond it forms is stronger than the vinyl you're using it on. Which means no rips, if you do it right. We make HH-66 right here in Acton, Massachusetts. RH Adhesives is a small, family-owned business, which means we hold ourselves to high-quality standards. We've been doing business since 1949, and we take good care of our customers. When you buy HH-66, you've got some options. There's our standard formula and a toluene-free version, which holds just as well, but is a little safer for you and for the environment. You also can buy thick HH-66 for use on porous materials, or white HH-66 for use with vinyl trim and molding. You can get cans in sizes from 4 ounces all the way up to 55 gallons, and you can even buy 1-ounce tubes. You'll need about 1 ounce of HH-66 for every square foot of vinyl you want to join, which makes this the perfect amount to have in your emergency kit for a single patch. Here's how you'll do that patch. Step 1 is prep. You'll want to cut a patch that covers your rip with about 2 inches of room on every side. Make the corners round so they won't catch. Use alcohol or a compatible solvent to clean your patch and your torn vinyl so you'll get the best adhesion. Step 2 is apply. Spread HH-66 both on your patch and on the object you're repairing. Then let both sides sit for between 2 and 5 minutes so the glue can go from smooth to tacky. If you're using toluene-free HH-66, you'll need to wait just a little longer, around 3 to 7 minutes. Step 3 is attach. Apply firm pressure on your patch or press evenly with a roller if you've got one. HH-66 dries in about an hour, but it reaches full strength in about a day. At that point, you'll have a bond that's stronger than the vinyl itself, which means you'll also have total peace of mind. So now you know how to use the right glue, but how do you find a vinyl patch to use with it? In our next video, we'll look at different kinds of vinyl fabric to help you match your patch to the vinyl you need to repair. Look for that video link below, or get a can or tube of HH-66 right now at rhadhesives.com.